Welcome to this video on creating QR codes. Learn how to generate a functional QR code in just seconds, making your digital skills simpler and more effective. QR codes are a fantastic tool for reducing user friction. Instead of forcing someone to manually type a long, complex web address, you provide a simple way to access content instantly with their phone camera, significantly reducing the chance of errors. Think of a QR code as a bridge between the physical and digital worlds. The process is simple. Point your phone's camera at the code, tap the link that appears, and you are immediately taken to the website. Creating one in Chrome is quick. Simply navigate to the website you want to share. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Select Cast, Save, and Share, and then choose Create QR Code. Once Chrome generates the custom QR code for your page, you can easily download it and save the file directly to your local computer for later use. Where should you use them? QR codes are perfect for flyers, handouts, signs, or even slides in a video, helping you maximize quick access to your digital resources. Before you share your code, run a quick pre-flight checklist, perform a live test with your own phone, verify the link correctly routes to your site, and ensure the URL is permanent to avoid broken links. You now have the skills to bridge the physical and digital worlds by creating your own QR codes in seconds. Stay tuned to TechWise for more digital skills made easy.